Good morning. Um, we are Kit and Drew Coons, if you don't remember us, and we had the privilege of coming to Sacramento to serve the First Slavic Evangelical Baptist Church back before COVID. And it was a wonderful experience for us. We loved being among you, and you charmed our hearts.
It was a long time ago, and actually we've moved since then, and now we're really close to you guys. We actually live in Washington State, which we are really enjoying being out here on the West Coast. And I actually have family in the Bay Area, which is really close to you guys.
We are having a ministry here. We're able to do our family life ministry, the same kind that we demonstrated back in South Carolina, here in Washington, and we're making good progress with that. But the most exciting part for us is that we have 3 Ukrainian churches that we are working with out here, and we feel really at home among them. We feel more at home among them and more accepted than we do at most American churches.
Well, and we have done some traveling, but not much because of COVID, of course. But we did go to Romania last year. We also went to Jordan this year, and we've also been to Wisconsin and Florida recently. So we're getting around a little bit, but we're mostly hanging close to home, which is where you guys are.
We've done those things as part of the global department of family life, of which we remain a part. And we are enjoying being part of the global department. It really gives us an opportunity to serve lots of people. And you're hopefully one of those that we would love to serve as part of the global department. One of the things that I wanted to mention to you is that you are quite privileged. And you are quite privileged to have Peter and Nina Pashenko as part of your group. Kit and I have traveled all over the world. We've met many dedicated Christians. But I don't believe that we have ever met anybody more dedicated than Peter and Nina. And so we really, truly consider them our partners, and we're our brothers in Christ, brother and sister in Christ, and we are honored to be their friends.
We hope that you have a wonderful weekend together and learn lots and have lots of new principles to put into practice.
Goodbye.
Bye.